Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Royal Advantage pre-owned units. It is a 2017 Honda Ridgeline Black Edition, all-wheel drive, in the crystal black pearl finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, local Calgary car with a clean accident-free Carproof. Some of the features include projector beam LED headlights, the LED daytime running lights, front and rear park assist sensors, factory remote start, perfect for the winter season ahead, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, park assist switch, traction control, cargo light, road departure mitigation, collision mitigation braking system, windshield wiper de-icer, econ button, power folding side mirrors, driver's seat memory seating, power windows and locks, power adjustable front seating, the hands-free controls, heated steering wheel, an 8-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, also equipped with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated and ventilated front seats, intelligent traction management, power sliding rear cabin window, sunroof, rear seating with the flip-up option, rear climate control with the rear heated seats, a dual action tailgate, and a truck bed audio system with the integrated LED lighting, and much, much more. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.